No, I actually really like this cleanser. Honestly, I should have just used one pump. Literally a perfect finish. I love it. Hey girl, welcome back. I am about to get ready really quickly. I have done nothing but brush my teeth. So I'm about to wash my face and then do a really simple beat. Like something very easy, very light, but still really pretty and put together. So yes, let me wash my face. I'm gonna use this Tatcha, the Deep Cleanser. I've been using this for the past few days because I ran out of my favorite cleansers and I just saw that I had this in my collection. So we're gonna start using it until I pick up some more of my cleansers. Now I actually really like this cleanser. The last time I tried it was when I had a sample, but now that I have like the full size, I can like really use it and you know, so it can really grow on me, but I like it. Okay, skin is fully dry now. I usually just let it air dry. I don't know, I just prefer for my face to air dry. But now let's go in with my serum and then my moisturizer. So I'm gonna quickly put on the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. Now I'm going to moisturize by using the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer. It Cosmetics is actually having their friends and family sale, so I am partnering with them in today's video to share a few of their products. And if you didn't know, this cream is now supercharged, which is gonna give you more hydration. So it's 2 times more hydration. So if you've been a fan of this cream for a while, it is better than ever. Like, it's definitely more hydrating. Now normally I would go in with a primer with SPF, but since I'm gonna be using the It Cosmetics Score Skin But Better CC Nude Glow, I don't need to do that because this actually has SPF 40 in it. But before I go in with this, I'm gonna do my brows because y'all know we do brows first on this channel. And I'm gonna take it back to my CoverGirl brow pencil. I use the shade Soft Brown. And you guys already know the next step. R.E.M Beauty Sweetener Concealer to clean up under my brows. You guys know I swear by this stuff. Now let's go in with the skin tint. I'm gonna take a couple of pumps on my hand and then I'm just gonna use 2 pumps. Honestly, I should have just used 1 pump because lately I haven't been really into using a lot of product, but this is what 2 pumps look like on the hand. Oh, you guys, It Cosmetics has a brush. If you are into using a brush over a sponge with your foundation or skin tints, they have this Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection brush. So one side of the brush you would use with the skin tint, and then the other side, which is the smaller side, you would use with the concealer, which by the way we have. This is the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Concealer that I'm gonna use after I apply the skin tint. So I'm gonna go in with the brush just so you guys can see how it looks on the face, because you guys know I always use a sponge because I prefer a sponge, but just so you guys can see how this product looks on the face with the brush, I'm just gonna take it and just kind of stipple it into the skin. So I'm gonna take the sponge and just kind of go over the face, but this is how it looks, you guys. Like, so natural. Like, it's crazy. And the color is perfect. Again, this is in the shade Deep. So yes, now I'm gonna take my sponge because y'all know I cannot live without my sponge. So I'm just gonna press the rest into the skin with it just to get everything in. But honestly, you literally don't have to use a sponge. I just prefer a sponge, y'all know this. So I'm just gonna press the rest in like this. And then now I'm gonna take the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. I'm gonna squeeze it out on the brush. I'm taking a little tiny amount because this is a full coverage concealer, you guys. So you don't need much, just a little bit. So squeeze it out, and then I'm going to just tap it under the eyes to brighten up my under eye. And just to blend out the rest, I'm gonna go back in with my sponge just to, you know, just get it all up in there. I mean, is the complexion not flawless? Is it not flawless? I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face with my go-to product. So just the e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer. I'm only just gonna put it right here and down the bridge of my nose. Because I'm not putting on too much makeup today, just a little bit. And then I'm just gonna blend it out. Now let's set the face. I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And I just take this where I applied my concealer and press it in to set. Yo, I thought about wearing lashes today, but I don't think I want to do lashes. I've been wearing my lashes a lot lately, and I haven't really done like a full face without lashes. So I don't, yeah, let's just skip lashes today. Let's just do a really pretty natural look without lashes. I see why they call it the Your Skin But Better skin tint, because it's literally a perfect finish. Okay, I'm gonna set the rest of my face with another powder. I brought my MAC Cosmetics Mineralized Skin Finish in here with me. You guys are probably tired of me using this, but it's my holy grail. I love it. I'm just gonna take this Sonia Kashuk powder brush and just set my face with it. I told y'all this was gonna be a really simple look today. Nothing over the top, really pretty and natural, because I love this type of look. And it's my go-to look, so yeah. Okay. I'm gonna lightly press it right here over the eyes. Just whatever I had left on the brush, just take it around the rest of the face. But look at how pretty the skin is looking, girl. So since we're not doing much, the last few steps would be bronzer, mascara. I did bring an eyeshadow in here. I got the ColourPop Down to Earth. Oh gosh, y'all, this was my go-to palette last year in the fall, and I'm bringing it back. This is the perfect, just simple, small foreshadow palette. It's so cute, and the colors are perfect. You have a black shadow in here, which y'all know every time I spot out an eyeshadow palette with black, I have to have it because black is like a staple color. Okay, anyway, let me put this bronzer on. This is the, oh, I didn't even tell y'all which one it is. It's the Rose Ink bronzer. And I use the shade Capri. I am gonna use, and this is a cream bronzer, by the way. It is getting dark outside, y'all. Y'all can tell by how it's getting dark in the background. But where is that brush? There it is. I like this bronzer, y'all. If you haven't tried it, try it. I don't want to wear blush. We are just keeping it plain Jane today, so no blush. Now the next thing I need to do is, I wasn't gonna use eyeshadow. I mean, I brought it in here just in case, but since we have it, let's use it. Let's just use the lighter shade in here, which is this tan orangey looking color, because I kind of want to go for a no eyeshadow look. So I'm getting something that's like close. I usually would do like a, let me do this first. Let's do MAC Skinfinish, because this is what I always do when I want that no eyeshadow look. I just go in with my foundation powder and then press it on the lid. But to spruce it up a little bit more, I will take a little bit of eyeshadow in the palette, especially in the crease part, to define my crease a little bit. So yeah, let's do, actually no, let's go into this shade right here. It's called the Senses. I'm gonna tap it in there like 2 times and then brush it into my crease. And this just defines the eye a little bit more, gives it more definition. Girl, what am I talking about? I don't know, but it looks good. It makes it look good. See, it looks really good. Ooh, let me put a little bit more over here because I put way more on the other side. Okay. To really open up your eyes, you can go in with, I was gonna say a white eyeshadow, but something that's really, really, really light, and put it right here on the inner corner. I don't have anything like that in front of me. And the lightest thing I have is this color right here. But if you want your look, like if you want your eyes to look more open, more awake, just go in with a lighter shade on the inner corner and they'll look brighter. I do have this Charlotte Tilbury powder though. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. I usually put this on as a finishing powder under my eyes, which we will do, but I'm gonna go in with it with this brush that I'm using for my eyeshadow. Just take some of it and just press it on the inner corner and see how it just kind of lightens it up a little bit, just a little bit, not much though. If this was lighter, it'll be lighter, but I mean, it'll work, it'll do. Is it right there? This just, it also kind of opens your eyes up more. It kind of gives the illusion that your eyes are a little, I don't know, girl, but it looks good. So the other thing I want to do is apply my, actually before I do that, because I know when I do, if I apply mascara and then go in with this, 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna mess up my mascara because it's still gonna be wet. So let me go in with this before I apply my mascara. This again is the Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder. I use the shade 3 Dark. So what happened to my sponge? There it is. Taking the sponge, just like the clean side of the sponge. And I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. This is just like a nice little finishing touch. This also kind of gives me more of a brightened under eye as well, but I just like using this, like I like doing this as my last step in my routine. I need to get some more, y'all, because I love, love, love this powder. And then I take it on the side of my nose where I applied that bronzer to soften that out too, because I don't like for my nose to look too sharp, or not too sharp, but too harsh from the bronzer. But that's that. Almost done, y'all. We are almost done. Now I'm gonna take the brow pencil again and just fluff out my brows right here. And for the mascara, I have been loving these, you guys. I've used this a few times. I've also shared it in like a get ready with me. I did my 1 hour get ready with me with you guys. But since that day of me filming that video, I've been using this mascara. So this is the lengthening side and this one is the volumizing. So it comes with another one which is clear, but I'm just using these 2 today because I have been loving them. So I'm gonna go in with the lengthening one. I think I might just use this one by itself because I like this one just as much as the volumizing one, but this one just, the wand is smaller, so it's easier to control. We're almost done, girl. I'm done with the lashes. So to finish up the look, I'm gonna go with a lip. I'm taking it back to the MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Hug Me. This was my all-time favorite lipstick in the past, so I'm just bringing it back because why not? And I'm just gonna put this on without a lip liner. I'm still gonna go in with another lip product, which is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Pink Paloma. And it's like, I mean, it looks clear on the lips. It's just a clear, milky pink type of color. And it just gives that extra touch that I like. And we're done. This is my simple everyday look. I'm gonna spray my face though. Let me spray my face. Y'all know I can't go without my Tatcha mist. But that is it, girl. This is today's look. It honestly looks like I have on no makeup. I mean, it looks like obviously I have makeup on, but it's the perfect no makeup look, like legit no makeup look. It's so natural and I love it. So yeah, girl, I will have all the products that I use in the description of this video. Don't forget to check out the It Cosmetics Friends and Family sale because I know a lot of you love their products and I don't want you to miss out on this good sale. So I will have that information down below as well. Thank you again to the team at It Cosmetics for sponsoring today's video. If y'all enjoyed, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in